You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two very important and common words in English. The top word is the third person of the verb to do, pronounced as does. It's a schwa sound, an a sound, okay? So do not worry about the spelling. It's not does or does. It's does. The S is pronounced like a Z, okay? Like a Z with a Z sound, no S sound. It's not dus, it's does. Does. It does. Makes sense. Does, okay? Now, the negation, the negative for it does not, the contraction, it is often, very often contracted. Doesn't. Doesn't. You not very often say does not. You say doesn't. Da, again a schwa sound. Doesn't. Another time where it's a Z sound. Doesn't. So, it does, or it doesn't. Does, doesn't. Can you pronounce those two correctly? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.